Tomorrow is Cyber Monday, and we have some top deals on tech gadgets.
All right, here with inflation-busting savings is the CyberGuy, Kurt Knutsson.
Good morning, guys.
What do you have for us?
I mean, number one rules here, don't overpay, so make sure you compare shop everything before you pull the trigger, and use social media. Look at all the brands you're looking at when you have your list together. And then sites like slickdeals.net, you can go here, set a deal alert. Even after you buy something, if it goes down, it'll let you know the price went down. You said, hey, I thought I got the best deal on Cyber Monday. Give me a better price. You'll get your money back. This is a way to get this for absolutely nothing. This is TCL's latest tablet. It's called the Tab 10 5G. It's 5G connected. The way you get it for nothing is by going to Metro by T-Mobile, which is like discount brand. And if I'm reading it right, it's at 3 months of service, and you get this for nothing.
Really?
Oh, wow.
So you got to check the rules yourself, but because it could vary from town to town. $300 normally, $0 if you play the game with them. Games are really on sale right now, and these are the winners. I mean, this is what somebody wants. This is Tony Hawk, Pro Skater 1 and 2, every format out there. Roughly average price about $49.99. You're seeing this at about 50% off, $24.99.
That's good.
If you live somewhere where cell phone isn't always great inside your house, PC Magazine's #1 choice here. This is a SureCall Flare 3.0. This part goes inside your house. It's a do-it-yourself kit. There's a little part that goes outside your house. Inside your house, suddenly data and calls are remarkably fast and clear once you do that. And this one, $379.99 normally. Cyber Monday deal, $80 off.
Oh,
never see this on sale. Look at these games even more. This is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Got it.
The Cowabunga collection, every format, again, 50% off. This right here, great for STEM learning here. Learning resources, switcheroo right here. These little things come out, teach kids, 36% off. Identity Guard Ultra right here. This is only at cyberguy.com. We have this deal where it is normally $359.88 for the year subscription and $179.88. And this thing keeps your identity. So you get somebody steals your identity, gets a car, tries to take your tax refund. This is the kind of protection that catches that stuff
This
for
is
you.
what you're most excited about.
This is our friends in Georgia. This is our friends at Polar Bear Coolers. It won our cooler challenge that was inspired by the Wall Street Journal, and it just is a great product.
What did they do? How long it keeps it cool?
Like over 5 days in the hard ones, about 2 days in the soft ones. These are 50% off, and I am very, very sorry in advance if they're sold out, because he only had so much. And the last time we had these on, they sold them all out because you just don't get this price. So 50% off. But again, you've got to put in code FOX when you go there. A lot of these things require code FOX. A lot of things also, like this one, you have to link at cyberguy.com or you won't get the deal.
Okay.
So,
you know,
50% off these coolers.
With all this technology, this is about my speed of technology. Like, I know how to operate a cooler. The rest of that stuff, I need somebody to come install it for me.
Joey, I got you covered.
Cell phone booster, though.
That right there would be a lot of help in my house. But this Georgia company, you got my ears up, man.
Yeah, Strud's
that's
a good
a
guy
hometown
that
boy
runs
right
that
here.
place. Yeah, so all these online, and good luck shopping
Good
today.
stuff,
It will
Kurt.
end tomorrow night.
Good deals. All right. Thank you, Kurt.
Good to see you.